What's up? My name is DJ Gigi. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you're on Instagram, at DJ Gigi Activist. If you're on YouTube, it's DJ space GEE space GEE. That's DJ Gigi. And we're gonna do something different today. This is a product review video. So, courtesy of Pace Africa, they have a new product out. It's called Pace Power Box. An amazing product. As you can see it calls you already JB Manzi. Big shout out to you, bro. An amazing video producer. And once you look at it, it already calls you, man. It has African designs on it. So let's open it. Packaging is quite good. African prints, love it. Then open it like that. And I'm already seeing a message from Pace. What does it read? Dear DJ Gigi, here's a Pace Power Box to amplify the music. We hope this brings you as much joy as it has us. Most definitely. Share the sound with everyone. That's why I'm sharing it with you guys right now. So their Instagram, they've written here at Keep Pace Africa. On Twitter is at Pace_Africa. Then you can use the hashtags. Keep your own pace. And there's another hashtag, Pace Power Box, love Pace. Valentine's ilipita, lakini I guess this is an amazing gift. So anyway, it's written, keep your own pace, right? Then signature by Jay Blessing, man. Hey, JB Manzi. No, Masana, this is a crazy product. It has the functions over here, power button, call button. You can also use it on your phone calls. There's the next track, play, the other track. Then there's a volume button over there. So this is an amazing product by Pace Africa. I'm excited about that. They have an aux place, auxiliary cable. Then they have a place for charging. Remember, it's also a power bank. Then they also have a USB cable over here where you used to charge. And I'm definitely excited about this thing. I can't wait to hear how it sounds, man.